Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines. On October 18th, 2025, Muskego police officers located a vehicle at a Kwik Trip in Muskego. Law enforcement believed the vehicle was connected to a separate Milwaukee homicide investigation, prompting officers to attempt contact. Here's how it unfolded.
The vehicle is in a pump in the middle. They're starting to pull up. They've got like a lift or Uber light in the front.
Stay in the car.
Copy pursuit. I copy pursuit. Westbound Janesville. Number. Somebody get some emails from that out?
Weather hands up. Give me a spot. He's compliant, so just give me a score like
New Orleans is in advance with their road.
Westbound Janesville approaching speeds at 85.
Go to the red light for Orleans.
Following the crash, the driver left the vehicle and fled on foot.
Hands up! Now! Put your hands up! Get on the ground! Do it now!
Forever trusting. Nothing else matters.
what's up, D? It's pulled out. Give us one more if we can.
In the small of your back. Do not move. If you move, you will be shot. Do you understand?
Coming up on Mark.
You are under arrest. Subjects in custody.
Are you injured? Where? Yeah, your face. I got me 1080. Here's ambulances. My partner is toning out now. Several, please.
Roll over.
I'm gonna check out the cookie.
Get your knees. Get your knees. Don't roll onto your side.
Pull off. Pull off.
Where else are you hurt?
My leg.
This leg. Right?
Go in the back of my squad.
According to news and court records, the driver involved in this incident was identified as Jeremy B. Lockett, described as being in his late 30s at the time. Authorities reported that he had outstanding felony-related issues and was legally prohibited from possessing firearms. Police stated that 2 firearms were recovered from the vehicle following the crash. Based on the investigation, prosecutors referenced multiple charges, including fleeing or eluding law enforcement, recklessly endangering safety, hit and run resulting in injury, felon in possession of a firearm, and additional charges related to warrants or parole violations. Some charges may be amended as the case proceeds through the court system. As with all criminal cases, these are allegations, and all individuals are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage,